So today we got this sink toy from the brand in exchange for our honest opinion, and we were so excited to get it. Take it out of the box. It has so many accessories that come with it, and one thing to know is that it doesn't come with batteries that are required. Okay, so we put some batteries here. It's not included. We just placed these in the brackets here and here, and it came with all the accessories, right? Now we're gonna see how it is to play. We have to fill it up with water. Let's go.
Yep.
When we fill up the sink, we put it right in the side of the tub, and we're filling it up. We have to fill it up to be higher than the drain hole. Want to see if it works?
Yep.
Then open it. Oh yeah! Cool! Thank you. Right, so I let my daughter play with it while she was in the tub, and it was entertaining for a whole bunch of time, and I got to receive all these cat salad in a bowl and some other surprises. It was really nice.
Here's your sandwich, Mom.
Thank you.
And
use this detergent, very large detergent.
Now.
Very nice. How do you like this toy?
Good.
All right, check it out. Kitchen sink toy.